Psychologica is an integrated approach to development, with survey tools and practitioner materials to help develop individuals, teams, and whole organizations. This video shows the fifth step in setting up a survey project, defining relationships between participants in a 360 survey program. Step 5 is where you set up the relationships between the various participants in the 360 process. So we see 4 boxes on this page. Box 1 shows the targets for the 360 program, that is, individuals who are the subjects or focus of 360. We can have more than one target if we're running a program within an organization, for example, but we recommend, at least when you're beginning with this, that we restrict each project to one target only, as it makes it easier to manage the process. In this box we have the various individuals who will be assessing the target. In the middle we see the different relationships that the target may have with these individuals. At this point it would be useful to refer back to the template, which you can download from the Links Resource drop-down menu and use to enable the target or whoever's commissioning the program to define the relationships and provide the details required. So let's look at the relationship between the target, me, and Tom. So we've seen that Phil is a report of Tom. Phil reports to Tom because Tom is Phil's boss. So we put in report and add to list. And that should appear now in the bottom box. So carrying on in that way. So Phil is a peer of Bill Brewer. They're both colleagues according to the template. So we add that to the list. Phil is also a peer, a colleague of Jan Stewart. Okay, add that to the list. However, Phil is actually boss of Peter Gurney and Peter Davey because they report to him. So Phil, boss, Peter, add to the list. Phil, boss, Peter Davey, add to the list. And the same with Phil and Daniel, so add him to the list. And finally we've got one assessor left, Harry Hawke, and we'll see that he's actually a client of Phil's, so he would be other in terms of the relationship to Phil, and other can include members of family, friends, anyone who's not in this line management hierarchy. So we add Harry to the list. So finally we should have all the assessors empty, still have the target there, and we look down here and we can see as a final check the relationship between Phil and the different assessors in the 360 process. So if we're happy with that, we can then finish with that target, or if we've only got one target, we just move on to the next step, step 6. I hope you found this video useful. Please check others in the series to help you access and use the Psychologica project management platform, or contact us for more details on development products and services. Bye for now.